Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be reviewing the Royal Kludge RK71 blue switch mechanical keyboard. Let's dive in. I got this keyboard to be used as my everyday keyboard rather than for gaming purpose. I use my keyboard a lot for typing and prefer a mechanical keyboard for the performance and comfort. My requirement for a keyboard are that it is compatible with Mac and Windows and can easily switch between the two systems on the fly. I did not wanted a KVM switch and I tried using other brand keyboard, but I did not like the overall experience and ended up returning it. That's when I purchased the Royal Kludge RK71 because it fits my budget, is wireless, compact, and it supports multiple devices. I've been using this keyboard for about 4 months now, and here are the things I really like about this keyboard. I purchased the Royal Kludge RK71 for about $30. This is for the blue light version and not the RGB version of this keyboard, which will cost you quite a bit more. RK71 is able to connect to my computer through a Bluetooth connection, and it can also use a wired connection using USB-C. The keyboard is able to support up to 3 saved devices through a Bluetooth connection, and you can switch between the device by pressing on the function plus Q or W or E key to change between different devices, but there will be a slight delay for each time you switch between devices. The keyboard is made out of plastic and it feels heavy in the hand. The overall design is very compact at about 71%. And I'm happy to report the dedicated arrow keys are not consolidated or condensed into another key. It has its own location on this keyboard, and magnetic riser can be added to the bottom of keyboard to adjust the position of the keyboard. The keycaps themselves are removable for customization and also great for cleaning under the key if there are dust in there. A tool is included in the box for removing the keycap. On a Bluetooth connection, there is a slight delay when you are typing, and that slight delay can become quite noticeable, especially if you are pressing on a key quite rapidly, such as to change the volume up or down. But when I use a USB-C connection, the delay in typing is barely noticeable. This keyboard is the blue switch version, and I have never tried the other switches, so I can't comment if it is better or worse. The key has a nice travel to it, and it feels very clicky when you press on it. And the keys themselves can get quite loud, which can be annoying for some people, but I personally enjoyed it and found it really adds to the typing experience. And now I will do a typing test to give you an idea of how the key sounds like. A built-in 1000 mAh battery, and I can get about 1 to 2 weeks of battery life, but with most of the backlight turned off except for the side LED lights. The keyboard does have battery saving feature by going into standby after a few seconds of inactivity and then waking up whenever a key is pressed, but it does take a second or two for the keyboard to respond. Here are some of the cons of using this keyboard. The keycaps themselves are missing Mac OS specific labels such as command or options. You need to learn specific function keys such as FN plus the plus sign for volume up and then FN plus the minus sign for volume down. Switching between devices sometimes does not work properly, and I need to plug in the wire in order for the other device to detect this keyboard. This hasn't happened that often, but it did occur at an odd time. The charging light was not explained in the beginning and it was a bit confusing. Whenever the keyboard is plugged in, the red light on the spacebar will turn on and then it will turn off when it is fully charged. There's no way of knowing what the battery percentage of this keyboard is. The only indication you get is when the arrow key starts to blink red to indicate the battery is low. The software downloaded off the website did not work and it is only in Chinese. I could never find a way to make the software work with this keyboard, so I wasn't able to do any customization or make any setting changes. The RK71 has been out for a while and there are newer keyboards on the market with newer features, but if you can find this keyboard on sale, then it offers a lot of value for the money and is definitely recommended to purchase this keyboard at a sale price. That concludes the video. If this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking and leaving your comments in the comments section. See you next time!